and welcome back to Cocktail Corner. As you can see, the holidays are upon us, and we are feeling a little festive, and we decided to decorate. So the next few episodes you see are going to be a little holiday cheerish. So today what I thought I'd bring you is a few cocktails that I've found as I've been browsing the web looking for recipes in our downtime. As I'm sure all of you are aware, a lot of us are stuck indoors lately, and with the cold weather it's starting to get a little drab and dreary, so we spent a lot of time looking for cocktails to try and taste and experiment with, and I'm gonna bring a few of those that I've decided to put my own little spin and riff on. So the first one we're gonna do for you is one that I found from a Instagram account from Australia, and it's called the Dead Man's Race. And it is a tiki-ish style drink, so we're gonna go a little tiki with it. I've got a few rums here that we're gonna put in, some juices, some orgeat, and hopefully it's gonna turn out pretty good. So let's find out. We're gonna shake it. So first things first, let's get all our ingredients going in our shaker. We're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of Barbados rum. This is a real McCoy 5. Like that glow. We're gonna add 3/4 ounce of a Jamaican rum. This is Hamilton 114 Navy strength rum. And we're also going to add a white or a Blanco rum, and this is Water Pocket Rum. It's a local distillery we like to use whenever we can. Give them a good shout out. And we're gonna go 3/4 ounce of that as well. On top of this, we're gonna do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. So I got that kind of pre-measured here. And 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And 3/4 ounce, if I can get it open, of orgeat, which is a almond syrup extract kind of thing. If you've never tried it, it's really good. It's a very interesting flavor. Goes really well with tiki and other drinks. And then to this, we're going to do a dash of bitters. The recipe online called for tiki bitters, and I don't really have tiki bitters, so I'm going to go with the good old Ango. I'm going to do, it's called for 1 dash, but I'm going to do like a heavy 2 dashes of this little Japanese dasher. Maybe 2.5. And we'll see how that is. We can always add and tweak it later too. Yeah. So now we just need to shake. So we'll throw some ice in this bad boy. And give it a good shake. And then this one's going to be real easy. We're just going to dirty dump it into here, which we're not going to strain. We're going to top it with a bit more ice. And then we'll just garnish. So I'm going to do some mint. If I can get some nice long pieces here. Mint's a good tiki garnish because of the nose. It's just refreshing, and everyone seems to enjoy mint. We'll just give it a good smush. And then we're also going to do some maraschino cherries. A bit on the side here. And a straw. And we like to use Surfside sips. We have links in the descriptions below that could take you to the website. You can use the promo code Spirit Seers to get 10% off your orders when you use these. And they're amazing straws. This one's a bamboo straw and it's really cool. So, and yeah, that is the Dead Man's Race, or at least my variation of it. And it's a pretty cool looking cocktail, and let's see how it tastes. Ooh, that's nice. Very fruity from the pineapple juice and the lime. Get a hint of the orgeat, the almond kind of flavor. The rums are really nice together. That is a really good pair. They're subtle. I did go with an overproof on the Jamaican rum just to kind of boost up the alcohol content, and it really doesn't show through this. This drink is really well balanced. It's very nice. I probably could have gone up a little bit on the bitters or got myself a hold of the tiki bitters, which are a little more spicy. But altogether, this is very, very nice. Oh yeah, that's definitely a drink I could drink a lot of. Yeah, I hope you guys give it a try for yourselves, and let us know what you think in the comments. Also, if you haven't, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe if you're not already. And we hope to see you again. Thanks a lot.